ongoing website management and support. We believe that having a website should be an asset to your business and not another thing for you to worry about. That's why we include a launch and forget service as part of our packages. This means that we will be your single point of contact for anything relating to your website, whether it's updates, issues, or things that go wrong. We use an online ticketing system to ensure that somebody gets back to your request immediately. If you don't have a ticket, you won't know that it's being dealt with. If you have a ticket, then you know we're aware of it. Simple. It is our job to make sure that your website is accessible and available online as often as possible. And while we can't guarantee 100%, as things can happen outside of our control, but we will do everything in our power to make sure that your website works as it should. The launch and forget service is often included in our packages. If it is not, there will be an ongoing monthly renewal fee. There is no contracts and you're not tied in. This does include the physical hosting for your website, so if you are not paying for your hosting, then your website will no longer be visible online. This will also mean that your business email would also stop working at that point. In addition to the launch and forget service, we also offer additional maintenance programs. These can include ongoing development of your website, such as adding new products and services or changing elements of the website on a regular basis. As these are usually different for each business, please contact us to discuss your requirements and we can send you a custom proposal.